My name's Dalton. This is my first summer with Michels. I go to UW-Platteville for civil engineering. My current position is a project manager intern out on the Highway 23 project. I personally think I've grown immensely over the course of the summer. I came in knowing not much, being my first year here. My supervisor has done a really good job making sure that I learn the ropes and even beyond, being able to then go and implement what I've learned right away.
It's kind of exciting to see him grow from where he started to kind of the roles and responsibilities he has now, from helping getting our crew started and getting dump trucks started in the morning. He brings a lot of energy. He's always willing to ask a lot of questions, wants to know more. It's exciting to see that people are interested and excited to learn about this profession.
Definitely blew my expectations out of the water. I didn't quite expect to be so engaged and hands-on. I thought I'd be more directed towards an observation. I'm implemented in certain places and I'm fully engaged in the project as if I was part of the team the whole time. My advice for future interns at Michels would without a doubt just be to go for it. If there's something you want to do that you can see is being done, talk to the supervisor about maybe getting that done. Just getting yourself out there to learn as much as possible should be the #1 goal of all interns.